In this video, we are going to review the COM Pro 5. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know every detail about it. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. So this is the website which is for the COM Pro 5. Here the product that they are selling is the #1 formula to soothe your nerves and promote your overall well-being. So what they are claiming is nerve calming formula, nerve health food, enhanced nerve well-being. So if we go down, here's the pricing for their product. For one bottle, they're charging you like $69 along with a small shipping fee. And for that 6 bottle, it will cost you like $49 per bottle with free shipping. So if you buy 3 bottles, it will cost you $59 per bottle with a free shipping. There will be no small shipping fee. So let's dive into the review. So what is COM Pro 5? So COM Pro 5 is an all-natural supplement aimed to add supporting mental and emotional well-being. Combines a blend of botanical known for their calming and soothing properties, made for those who frequently experience stress, anxiety, or even sleep disturbance. This formula is crafted to help individuals reclaiming their peace of mind. COM Pro 5 stands out for its commitment to quality and effectiveness, utilizing natural ingredients that have been carefully selected for their beneficial properties. So if I go down and see does COM Pro 5 work to determine if COM Pro 5 is effective, one must consider both the anecdotal evidence and the science behind this formulation. Many users have reported positive outcomes, including reduced anxiety levels, enhanced relaxations, and improved sleep quality. These benefits can largely be attributed to the natural ingredients that work synergistically to alleviate stress. So the ingredients for the COM Pro 5 are as follows: marshmallow root, corydalis powder, passion flower, California poppy. So what are the benefits? Stress relief, improved sleep quality, enhanced emotional well-being, natural and safe alternatives. So the real question is, does COM Pro 5 really work, or is it a scam or something like that? To understand the efficiency of the COM Pro 5, it is important to recognize the supplement often works in best conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. While COM Pro 5 can provide significant support in alleviating stress and promoting relaxation, its benefits are maximized when paired with a balanced diet and a regular exercise. Nutrition plays a vital role in mental health. Consuming various nutrient-dense food helps ensure that the body receives the vitamin and minerals it needed. So is COM Pro 5 a scam? Concerns about the legitimacy of healthy supplements are common, particularly in an industry that can sometimes be filled with misleading claims. However, COM Pro 5 stands out for its transparency and commitment to quality. The product is backed by a reputable company prioritizing customer satisfaction and safety. So I can say that this product is legitimate and it is not a scam. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.